This is not a house. It's not a hotel, and it definitely shouldn't be driving next to you on the highway. These are double-floor motorhomes. 2 stories. Massive weight. Luxury is so extreme it borders on ridiculous. Some of these cost more than mansions. Some barely fit on public roads. And all of them make people ask the same question. How is this even legal? Today, you're about to see the top 5 most insane double-floor motorhomes ever built. And trust me, number 1 doesn't feel real. When most people hear double-floor RV, they imagine a bunk bed, maybe a small loft. That's not what this is. These motorhomes have true vertical living space. Separate levels, stairs, entire rooms stacked on top of each other. This isn't camping. This is architecture on wheels. We're counting down from number 5 to the most insane double-floor motorhome on Earth. Each one is bigger. Each one is more extreme. Each one harder to believe. Let's start with the one that already looks illegal. At number 5, double-decker bus motorhome conversions. These start life as city buses. And then someone looks at them and says, yeah, let's live in that. 2 full floors, residential ceilings, entire apartments stacked vertically. No manufacturer's safety net, no luxury brand badge. Just raw scale. The lower floor usually holds the kitchen, bathroom, and the living room. Upstairs, bedrooms, office space, sometimes even a lounge. It feels less like an RV and more like a small apartment building that forgot to stay still. The craziest part? These are often privately built. That means weight balance, safety braking, are all walking a fine line. They're legal in some places, restricted in others. And every time one hits the road, people stare. Not because it's luxury, but because it looks like it shouldn't move. Number 4 takes things strange, to be straight up unbelievable. This is the Chixing Star Milk River motorhome from China. And yes, it really has 2 levels. From the outside, it already looks oversized, but then you realize the upper section isn't storage. It's a living space. A staircase leads up to a full second level, with seating, beds, and sometimes an outdoor terrace. On a vehicle this size, that's insane. This motorhome went viral for a reason, because it feels like someone broke every traditional RV rule. Height limits, center of gravity, road safety logic. And yet, it exists. It moves. And people live in it. Is it practical? Not really. Is it impressive? Absolutely. This RV isn't about comfort. It's about proving something. That even the idea of an RV can be pushed further than anyone expected. And here's the thing. Everything you've seen so far is just the beginning. Because the top 3? They're not experiments. They're luxury weapons. And number 3 changes the game completely. Up until now, you've seen motorhomes that feel unusual. Big. Strange. Borderline illegal. But the next 3, these aren't experiments. These are machines built for people who refuse to live small, even while moving. Welcome to the top 3. Number 3 feels like science fiction. This is the SAIC Maxus Lifehome V90 Villa Edition. And unlike most RVs, this one doesn't just expand sideways. It expands up, creating a real second floor. When parked, the roof rises, panels unfold, and suddenly, this RV becomes a 2-story villa. Not a loft, not a pop-top. A full second level with standing height. And here's the part that breaks people's brains. This motorhome has an elevator, a real one. You don't climb to the second floor. You ride up. In an RV, the upper level isn't storage. It's a lounge. A tea room. A meditation space. Panoramic glass. Natural light. Silence. You're standing on the second floor, on a vehicle. Think about engineering, weight distribution, wind resistance, structural integrity. This RV pushes physics to the edge of what's reasonable. And yet, it exists. And somehow, this isn't even the craziest one, because number 2 isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling palace. Number 2 is famous for a reason. This is the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo, often called the most luxurious motorhome ever built. And once you see it, you'll understand why. This thing doesn't arrive. It appears. Over 13 meters long. Commercial-grade chassis. Design inspired by super yachts. It looks less like an RV and more like a concept car that escaped reality. Inside, everything feels vertical. Split levels, raised platforms, hidden stairs. The living space flows upward and outward. This isn't a flat RV. It's layered architecture. And then there's the roof. A retractable sky lounge that lifts above the RV. Panoramic views, private seating, total separation from the world. You're not camping. You're floating. This motorhome costs millions. Maintenance is extreme. Fuel consumption is brutal. But buyers don't care. Because this isn't about saving money. It's about owning something no one else has. And yet, even this rolling palace is not number 1. Because the final motorhome isn't just insane. It redefines what a road-legal vehicle is. Number 1 isn't about elegance. It's about obsession. This is the Volkner Mobile Performance S. A double-floor motorhome is so insane, it doesn't just carry your home. It carries your supercar. Most motorhomes use the lower floor for storage and tanks. Volkner said no. They turned the entire lower level into a glass-walled supercar garage. We're talking Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens. Inside an RV, the living space sits above the garage. Raised floor, perfect balance. Engineering pushed to its limits. You live upstairs while a 6-figure car rests beneath your feet. This isn't an RV. This is a rolling luxury bunker. And then comes the moment everyone remembers. At the push of a button, the rear opens, the platform lowers, and your supercar rolls out of your motorhome like a secret weapon. Inside feels clean, modern, purpose-built, leather seating, high-end kitchen, hotel-level bedroom. Everything is designed around weight, balance, and precision. Luxury with discipline. This motorhome costs well over $2 million. Fuel consumption is brutal. Maintenance is extreme. But buyers don't care. Because no other RV lets you travel the world without giving up your dream car. This is why it earns number 2. Not because it's the biggest, but because it solves a problem only the ultra-rich have. How do I take my house and my supercar everywhere? Volkner answered that question. And yet, even this engineering masterpiece isn't number 1. Because the final motorhome doesn't just carry luxury, it redefines what road legal means. This isn't just about motorhomes. It's about how far we're willing to push freedom, luxury, and excess. These double-floor giants aren't just vehicles. They're moving statements. For some people, they represent the ultimate dream, a home that follows you anywhere. For others, they're proof that maybe some things were never meant to share the road. So now the question isn't which one is the craziest. The real question is, should motorhomes like this even be allowed on public roads? Would you drive one of these? Or do you think they've gone too far?